that's a lot of guys. I don't know if I'll be able to survive. I mean, like, they got me pinned up to a wall. Ah! Oh, yes, 5 ammo. Let's go. Got this. Hello, everyone. Be beta testing this game called GeoGuns, and seems to be a lot of monsters after me. I don't know why, but the health bar is not showing up when I recorded this. Probably my fault. Okay, that's a lot of guys. I don't know if I'll be able to survive. I mean, like, they got me pinned up to a wall. Ah! Oh, yes, 5 ammo. Let's go. Got the... Dang. Let's try this again, shall we? Got more damage. And... Oh, man. So many. For the king! Or, I'm just gonna, actually not do that. They seem pretty angry at me. Man, these monsters are surprisingly not as easy as I thought they'd be. Okay, I'm just gonna do the old swirl around trick. Seems to be working. I'm winning. My score is almost 100. I can do this. I got this. Okay, let's try this. Third time's a charm, right? Man, this game is incredibly fun. Man, I wish it was out fully. Seems so fun and crazy at the same time. I'm already like enjoying myself so hugely. I've not even played for it that much. It's like crazy. Man. Yes, die, all of you. Haha. Who's the big boss man now, huh? Not you. Haha, you're all dead. There's one more. Die, yes. Oh. Square. Die. Square. Die. Die. You too. Don't let me think I forgot about you, mister. Keep on spawning. I don't know if I'll be able to survive that long. Well, actually, I could. I'm really good at this game. Octagon and squares, hexagon, as long as they're dead. Aha! This game is incredibly fun. Not only because you get to shoot these monsters, but the more you level up, or I guess the more you get more score, the harder the enemies become. And see, I just died there. There's circles now, which are cursed. But the more you play, it gets increasingly harder. It's just an overall super fun game. The mechanics work pretty well. I mean, it's just really fun game. I mean, I could play this for hours. Just can't wait until it's finally out of beta testing and then it becomes a real game. Definitely a very, very fun game. New monster, these little triangle thingies. What even are they? Pentagons? I don't know. Man, so annoying. Oh, I don't know if I'll survive. Man, this is getting pretty difficult. Oh man, it's getting harder and harder. That was super fun. Definitely, when it comes out, totally get it. Great game. Definitely, I recommend it. See you later.